Hello, we will be continuing our study of the human body this week. I hope everybody had a great spring break. I love the Easter holiday. It is one of my very favorites. I love the holiday itself and all the days that lead up to it. So I hope you also had a great spring break. I also had a couple of birthdays. My mom and my daughter had birthdays this past week. And so we had some video birthday parties for them. So that was great. So for this week, we are going to get back to business here. So go to your science course and scroll on down below spring break. And we're going to take a look at what is week 5 in Schoology. And today you have a quiz. We're going to take a quiz on the blood, chapter 1.2. Just a quick quiz. I think you guys will all be all right with that. And then we're also going to be doing our vocabulary on chapter 2. You guys did a great job on the vocabulary last week. One thing I need you to make sure when you're looking at the definitions that it is the definition that applies to what we're talking about right now. So, for example, I had a number of students, when they put a picture of plasma in, they put in a picture of plasma, the substance that is a gaseous state that becomes ionized and highly charged. That was our physics definition of plasma, and we want to look at our blood definition of plasma. The only person who has plasma in their blood is this guy. So we want to focus more on plasma in the blood. So please be careful that you're looking at the right definition, because sometimes there are regular daily definitions of these words, and we want the science definition as it applies to the human body. So that is for today, and then tomorrow we're going to be moving on and doing a diagram of the respiratory system. You're going to label the respiratory system. There's a handout in your Schoology on that day's assignment, and then you will color that in. I'll have a video for you to help you guide through that. On Wednesday, we're going to be doing a wanted poster, also from the respiratory system, and you're going to build a poster on a particular element of the respiratory system. And then on Thursday, we will be moving on, and we're going to start looking at the nervous system. So you're going to look at chapter 3 and you're going to take notes. And then finally on Friday, you're going to take a quick look at the chapter 3 vocabulary, same rules as before. And then on Friday, I want you to submit your selection for your human body project. So I see some of you have already done that, but you can wait till Friday after we've taken a look at respiratory and nervous systems, and then make your selection on which topic you want to do for your human body project. So I hope you guys are all having a good time at home, quarantining yourselves, staying healthy. That's what we're doing here as well. So take care, and I hope to see you all soon.